Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shamal and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make Gulkhand. First I'll show you how to make preserved Gulkhand and then I'll teach you how to make instant Gulkhand. Perhaps the best part about this superfood is that it offers a host of health benefits. A majority of health experts suggest you to make Gulkhand at home as it is super easy to make and it only requires few ingredients. So let's see how to make this Gulkhand. Let's start. Bismillah. Collect the fresh and fragrant rose petals, gently wash the petals with water and let them dry on a tray or cloth. And then I'm using this bowl. Now fill this bowl with clean and washed rose petals. Add 1 cup sugar. And now crush these rose petals with sugar with your hands. You can also use blender. And to this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Half teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. Add 2 to 3 tablespoon honey. Give this a very nice mix. And now transfer this in a clean and sterilized jar. Close the lid and keep it in the sunlight for 8 to 10 days. Mix the Gulkhand every other day using a clean spoon. And now let's make instant Gulkhand. Fill half of the bowl with clean rose petals. Add half cup sugar. Crush the rose petals with your hands. Goes in 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and half teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. Mix this nicely. And now I'm going to transfer this in a pan. Cook this on medium-high heat till sugar dissolves. At this point I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoon honey. Mix it up nicely and then switch off the flame. Your instant homemade Gulkhand is ready. Store in an airtight container and refrigerated. You can store it for a year or more. As I already told you, the best part about this superfood is that it offers a host of health benefits. So I encourage you to try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Do like and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing and interesting recipes. Take care and have a nice day.